Developing products today requires more flexibility and teamwork than ever, and traditional design tools aren't always equipped to handle modern teams spread across the globe. 3D Creator provides industry-leading parametric modeling on the cloud in any browser, connecting all the people and data needed to take products from idea to delivery. Let's see how Dawn Designer uses the xDesign app in 3D Creator to complete the latest C-scooter assembly. Dawn's first task is to design the battery enclosure. Part design typically begins with a sketch. Commands are easily accessible from context menus or shortcut rings. Switch between extrude, revolve, and sweep, all from one command with super features. User parameters can drive both sketch and feature geometry, so design changes update predictably. Shortcut rings adapt to the working environment to keep the most relevant commands close at hand, and command parking adds sketches or reference geometry on the fly without leaving the feature. Design Assistance anticipates the next step, so sketching is less repetitive, and selections are faster than ever. Skip the sketch and extrude from any existing face, and create complex blends with a variable radius fillet. Drag and drop to insert a part into an assembly open in another xDesign window. Assembling components is easy with intuitive context tools that recommend mates based on selected geometry. Create a new component from an existing feature right in the context of the assembly. Import PCBs and other ECAD files in traditional IDF formats. Snap-to-fit mating tools speed up repetitive assembly tasks. And artificial intelligence helps predict the placement of similar components. Copy with mates replicates components where patterns don't apply. And advanced mates allow designers to visualize complex motion scenarios. Built-in collaboration tools connect teams so working together on designs is easier than ever. Create and review markups to clearly communicate ideas. And share updated models all within the design workspace. Drive component patterns in assemblies with pattern features from existing geometry. Reusing sketches from other components saves time and ensures standardization. Create cosmetic or production-ready physical threads for most standard thread types. Integrated 3D printing places components in a virtual print bed, configurable to the settings of most 3D printers. The Auto Arrange tool intelligently lays out parts to avoid merging, and support analysis determines what areas in the design will need support during printing. Begin physical prototyping in no time by connecting to supported cloud printers or exporting in most common 3D formats. 3D Creator gives you the tools you need to complete design tasks, connect with teammates, and prepare for manufacturing, all from a browser on any connected device. What barriers to product development will you overcome with 3D Experience Works?